Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I am leaving Boston Market. I grabbed some food for the way home. It is Vlogmas day 5. I believe it's the 5th of December. Holy shamoly. Doesn't even seem possible. But I just left work and I brought home, my husband wanted meatloaf, so I got that for him, and I got myself some rotisserie turkey. And, oh, I don't have my seatbelt on. I took my seatbelt off when I stopped and got gas, which was right next to the Boston Market. So crazy. Whew, need to put that puppy on. Okay, so happy Vlogmas. Hope you guys are doing well. It is freezing here, 28 degrees. I used my car starter. I was very happy to have that. And I'm wearing my little snuggliest scarf. Well, it's not really a scarf, it's a shawl, but I love it. And I even got complimented on it today. Ooh, it smells good. Like my perfume. So last night I did a lot of videos. You guys will see those because I ordered a lot online and I got a few things, so I did a FabFitFun video and a couple other videos, but those are scheduled. They're already uploaded and scheduled and ready to go, just so in the next week or so you'll see those. And I am still knitting away on Katie's mittens and on that little baby sweater that I decided to do. So that's kind of what I'm working on right now. I have so many things that I want to cast on, and I'm even thinking now that it's getting really close to Christmas, I'm going, oh gosh, do I need to make something for this person or for that person? And I had thought about doing washcloths for all of the people at work, and I haven't done that. Well, not for all the people at work, but there's like a group of us, and I should probably still do that because I can hammer out a washcloth pretty quickly, and then I can get Bath & Body Works or something like that. Either homemade soap. I know that there's still a farmer's market that goes by my house on Saturdays. Well, not by my house, but that's in my city, that usually has homemade soap. So that would be kind of nice. And I think I only need, let's see, Sharon and Lynn and Janice and Lisa, Brittany. I think I just need 6. I might do 7 just to make sure that I have enough for everybody. So if I did that, that's 7 washcloths. It would really be nice if I got them, if I made them each 2, so that would be 14 washcloths. And tomorrow is our Christmas party at work. So if I'm going to do it for that, it's not happening, but I can do it for later. It doesn't have to be so early. Our Christmas, we're having a team Christmas party on the 13th, I believe, whatever next Thursday is. It's my brother's birthday, so whatever his birthday falls on, I think that it's a Thursday. I could maybe do it for then. Whew. I still have Katie's sweater that I'm trying to finish by Christmas too, which but I am off on Friday. I have some time off, so I took Friday off, and then I think I took Monday off too, so I'll have a little bit of time that I can work on some stuff. So maybe I will. We shall see. And I know it seems like I was just off because I was in Chicago. Well, maybe you guys don't know or don't, but at work, I feel like I've not been at work because I haven't been at work, but have to use this time or I lose it. So I need to use it. So that's my big plans for today. I can't wait to see my bully dog and my little kitty cats, and I'm gonna snuggle up with maybe a Hallmark movie. My husband is working later today, so he goes in late, so I'm going to have time for myself, and I think what I'll do is snuggle up and watch a Hallmark movie and knit. That's my exciting time, and I might even show you guys some of it just for Vlogmas, but I guess that's it for now. So I will talk with you guys later. So here's my view, guys. I am watching or doing a free pattern from Ravelry. This is my little leaf sweater. I have this cute little Christmas tree progress keeper on it. Super cute. And there's my pup. He's laying there sleeping like usual. He was just dreaming, wagging his tail, which makes me happy when he's having a good dream. And then I'm watching the Naughty Nitwits on YouTube, and I have my Christmas cards here ready to get going, but I haven't done anything with them, and I'm still not even sure if I'm going to, but I'm hoping that I have cards ready and just need to address the envelopes. And then those are a couple of my knitting projects, and here's my lap, and this is my view right now. Happy Vlogmas.